Components of a film review. There are 4 components of a film review. Condensed plot synopsis. It emphasizes the most important moments of the film. Background information. It involves information about the actors, directors, genre of the film, etc. Arguments about the film. It involves the analysis and critique of the film. This component is the main focus of the review. Evaluation. In evaluation, the writer recommends whether to watch the movie or not. He assesses the entertainment value of the film. So what are the factors that need to be considered while reviewing a film? There are 6 factors: directing, writing, editing, acting, production design and cinematography. Directing. Director transforms the vision and brings it to life. Writing. It involves the screenplay and the script. Editing. Editor is the unsung hero. Fixes bad performances. Acting. Give great performances. Production design. Production designer is responsible for the visual concept of the film. Cinematography. Cinematographer is the director of photography. Influences the tone of the scene. Structure of the film review. Introduction. It is the basic information about the film. Plot summary. Plot summary is providing the summary of the movie without spoilers. Description. Cinematic experience of the film. Analysis. It consists of formal techniques and thematic control. Evaluation. It is the conclusion regarding the content of the film. So what exactly is the purpose of the film review? You must have learned much about the film review till now, but now let's discuss the purpose behind it. So the main purpose is about describing the plot, to tell whether the film should be seen, and addressing specific aspects of the film such as theme, story, relation with the social issues, etc. So let's go through the final content, and that is the tips for writing an outstanding film review. Watching the film at least once but twice is preferable. Forming an opinion is highlighting good and bad aspects of the film. Considering the audiences, the film review should take into consideration audiences such as news outlets, fan sites, teen magazines. Actors' background is their past performances, their portfolios. Focusing on factors is direction, editing, sound and music. No spoilers is giving an idea of the plot but not providing the full story. Well, thanks for watching this video. Do make sure to like, subscribe and comment the next video you want us to prepare for you. Also, check the link mentioned for our website below.